I'm not a stylish guy. I don't know what the trends are.
Right.
Tell my listeners a little bit about what an interior designer does and what they're for. What certifications, if any, what education do you have? That kind of thing.
Technically, you don't have to have a degree to be an
Okay.
interior designer. Yeah, I do, but I didn't always. It really is something that I feel like it's either you got it or you don't. I've been staging and redecorating rooms since I was 12. It's just always been something that kind of came naturally to me. And when I did go back to school for it, it really just added to what I can do. It just gave me the ability to really see it in a deeper way, as far as because at the beginning of everything, I was just picking out colors for friends. I was picking out textures and furniture and things, but I wasn't really into it like I am now. Now I'm actually working with contractors, and it's really an amazing thing to see basically a blank canvas or a terrible canvas come alive and just become this beautiful space. But yeah, it's definitely not something that you have to go to school for, but it's really helpful when you go back and you are able to see structurally how things are done. It's like being a teacher. I teach second grade. Somebody who is a contractor wouldn't be able to come in and teach second grade. They just don't know how to do that. It's like something that's alien to them. And a lot of people struggle with color and combining different textures, and they just don't know what to do. So that's where I come in.